Hey guys, welcome to yet another quick and short AI tutorial. And in this easy tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can export any particular chat from your Qwen AI. So without wasting much time, let's start. So the first thing that we'll need to do is simply head on to chat.qwen.ai. This is the official address for the Qwen Studios, and within here you can find all of your chats. So first, in order to export chat, simply click over to your profile picture and then click onto settings. Now within settings, click onto this chat option, and from here you will see the export chats button. Then click export chats and you can see that all of the chats has been successfully exported in this JSON format. So that's how easily you can export chats from Qwen AI. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Also, it is a humble request. If you think this video is actually valuable, do definitely share it with your friends and family so that they can also learn about AI and facts.